Good morning, Vestigians. Welcome to special e-trainings from the House of Vestige. And today's topic for e-training is Vestige's International Presence Part 1, in which we will be covering United Arab Emirates. Now, these are the new initiatives in e-trainings in which we will be covering all of our international presence. And today we are starting with United Arab Emirates, UAE. So we are present in UAE since 2013 and we have over 17,000 registered distributors there. So it's been more than 7 years since we are operational in UAE. We have our head office based at Dubai. It is in Pyramid Center, office number 104. Apart from our head office, we have our stores operational at Sharjah and Ajman. You can see the store's address here. And if you are there in these two cities, you can reach out to these stores to purchase our products. Now coming to the products which are available in Dubai, starting with healthcare products. So in healthcare, we have so many products available in Dubai, and our flagship products like Vestige Flax Oil, which is for healthy heart, is there. Vestige Neem for better glycemic health is there. Vestige Glucosamine to lubricate the joints is there. Vestige Calcium is there, which helps in building the healthy and strong bones. Vestige Cranberry is there, which helps in preventing the UTIs. Then entire immunity range is available in UAE, which includes Spirulina, which is available in 2-pack size, 90s and 300s. Then we have our Noni, Amla, Aloe Vera and Cholesterol. Entire immunity range is available. Then we have our detox range in which Ganoderma, which is also in 2-pack size, 90s and 300s is available. Then Vestige Fiber is also available, which helps in slow down the digestion and giving a feeling of fullness for a long time. Then we have our weight management range, Veslim range, in which Vestige protein powder is available. Veslim capsules, which helps to burn the extra calories, is available. Veslim Shake is available, which is actually a low calorie diet for Weight Watchers. So entire weight management category is available in UAE. Then now coming to health food, which we have in UAE, we have our Invigo nutritional protein powder. We have our healthy cereal breakfast option, Inerva high nutrition breakfast cereal. Then our star product, Lighthouse rice bran oil, which is the healthy oil for cooking, is also available in UAE. Now coming to personal care. In personal care, our entire hair care range, in which Assure hair oil, Assure deep cleanse shampoo, Assure moisture rich shampoo, Assure daily care shampoo, they all are available. Now coming to our skincare range, Assure anti-aging night cream, Assure complete fairness cream, Assure instant glow face pack and Assure purifying cleanser and toner is available. Assure Sun Defense SPF 30 cream is available. Assure clarifying face wash is available. Assure daily moisturizer is available. Assure exfoliating face scrub is available. Then in our body care, we have Assure shaving cream, Assure complexion bar, Assure foot cream, cocoa and peach body butter, our hand and body lotion, our body wash, Assure body talc, which is available in 2 fragrances, Enchant and Force Fresh. Then we have our creamy cleansing bar, body polish, Assure soap, Assure hand wash. These are the products which are available in personal care. Now coming to oral care, our 2 toothpaste, Dentassure toothpaste and Dentassure Gano toothpaste, both are available in UAE. Coming to home care, our High West Ultra Wash and High West Ultra Scrub is available in Dubai. Coming to premium skincare, so our skincare range, Skin Formula 9, in which Youth Elixir Intense Hydration Cream, Brightening Treatment Cream, Blemish Gel, Deep Cleansing Oil and Under Eyes Serum. So this is the complete range from health supplements to health food to personal care, home care, oral care and premium skincare is all available in UAE. You can try these quality products. Now coming to contact details. So for any sort of queries, you can write to UAE Dubai at myvestige.com. You can also call us on our contact numbers provided on this screen. You can visit our website www.myvestige.com/UAE. You can also reach to this website from our global website. For this, you have to click on the flag, India flag tab, in which then you can see the UAE tab. Then once you click on this UAE flag tab, you will land up on our UAE homepage. So this is our Dubai website. And from here, you can scroll about the products, the latest news, the contact details, everything. How to join UAE? You can join by reaching to any of our office, whether in Dubai, Sharjah or Ajman. For KYC, you need to have one Emirates ID. Even if you don't have Emirate ID, you can join with your passport. You can visit the download section of our UAE website, where you can find the product catalog, success plan, distributor order form or voice magazine. So India's leading direct selling company is there in UAE as well. You can join and use the quality premium products and earn on the same way as well. So there are 9 ways of income which you get by associating with Vestige. As you know, you can place your orders using our online shopping app or by visiting shop.myvestige.com. Please share this tutorial with all your team members, your downlines which are available in UAE. Stay safe, stay trained. Thank you. Wish you